Hi, this is Sai Kishore Reddy from Magneq Software. 30 days, 30 aptitude topics. Day 9. Today topic blood relations. In this topic, we are using British English and their relations. And we know father's father, father's father, grandfather, and grandfather father, grandfather's father, great grandfather. Next, father sister, father sister, aunt, father brother, uncle. Same as mother also. Mother sister, aunt, mother brother, uncle. Next, mother in law relation. Mother in law relation. Mother in law means spouse mother. Spouse mother. Spouse means wife or husband. Wife or husband. Next, sister in law. Sister in law. So sister-in-law means spouse sister, wife sister or husband sister. Next, nephew. Nephew. Nephew means sibling son. Sibling son. Sibling means brother or sister. Brother or sister. Next, niece. Niece relation, sibling daughter. Sibling daughter. Cousin relation. Cousin relation. Cousin means parent, sibling, child. Parent, sibling, child. Parent means mother or father, sibling, brother or sister, child, son or daughter. Son or daughter. For example, mother, brother, son, sibling, sorry, cousin. Next to father, brother, son. Father, brother, son. Also cousin. Next indications, very, very important. Male person indicated with plus sign, female person indicated with minus sign. Single horizontal line A to B. The relation sibling. For example, A plus and B plus. So both are brothers. A brother and B also brother. Next, vertical arrow means vertical line. So parent and child relation. Parent child relation. So for example, K and M. K minus M minus. So mother and daughter relation. Mother and daughter relation. Next to two lines. Two lines. The relation, couple relation. Wife and husband. Wife and husband. So once again, male person indicates plus sign, female person minus. Single horizontal line, the relation sibling, and vertical line, parent-child relation. Two lines, couple relation. And very very important, family tree. Family tree. For example, person X, single horizontal line, sibling. Sibling means brother or sister. Two lines, couple. This person is spouse of X. Spouse of X. And above, father. Father, two lines, mother. These two persons are wife and husband, couple relation, but this person is ex mother and a single line. So ex person mother sibling means ex person aunt or uncle, and single line for father. Ex person father single line. So father sibling, this person related to aunt or uncle. And the main difference, total mother relation, maternal relation, and a total father relation, paternal relation. And above generation, grandparents. Grandparents. Below generation, son, single line, daughter. So daughter, double line. This person is ex son in law. Ex person, son in law. Two lines for son. Daughter in law. This person, daughter in law of ex. And below generation, below grandchild. Grandchild. So remember, these all relations are based on person X. Single line sibling, two lines spouse, above parents, below child means son or daughter. D is the brother of B, M is the brother of B, K is father of M, T is the wife of K. How is B related to T? So D is the brother of B. B brother D. So D male person plus son. M is the brother of B. M is the brother of B. So M male person brother. K is the father of M. K is the father of M. M father K. T is the wife of K. So two lines means both are couple. So T minus. T minus. From above diagram, K father, T mother, D son, M son. We don't know the gender of B. So take as a child. Child. Now, what is the question? How is B related to T? How is B related to T? Related to T. So answer child. Answer child. B is B is child of T. B is child of T. T person child B. T person child B. Rachana is the only daughter of Arjun, father's wife, mother-in-law's daughter's only brother. How is Arjun related to Rachana? So given information, Rachana is the only daughter of. We don't know person, so take as a person X daughter Rachana. Next information. Arjun's father's wife, mother-in-law's daughter's only brother. Arjun father. Arjun father. Arjun father wife means Arjun mother. Arjun mother mother-in-law. Arjun mother, mother-in-law. Grandmother. Arjun grandmother, daughter. Arjun grandmother, daughter, aunt. Arjun aunt only brother means this total relation. This total relation, Arjun father. Arjun father. Now, given information, Arjun father's wife, mother-in-law's daughter's only brother. Arjun father. Now, Rachana is the only daughter of Arjun father. Rachana is the only daughter of Arjun father. Means this is the father position, Arjun position. So Arjun father. Rachana is the only daughter of Arjun father. From this relation, Rachana and Arjun both are siblings, sister and brothers. How is Arjun related to Rachana? How is Arjun related to Rachana? Brother. Brother. So second option. Brother. Introducing a man to her husband, a woman said, his brother's father is the only son of my grandfather. How is the woman related to this man? So, given information, introducing a man to her husband, a woman said, his brother. So, person take as X. X person brother. X person brother's father. X person brother father is the only son of my grandfather. This person is the only son of my grandfather. My grandfather. My means woman grandfather. So this is the position of woman. In place of my woman. Woman grandfather. So woman said his brother. Means X person brother father is the only son of grandfather. So brother, woman and X. These three persons are siblings. Now, what is the question? How is woman related to this man? This man means X. Both are siblings. So, woman related. So, sister. Woman, sister. First option. P by Q means P is father of Q. P plus Q means P is mother of Q. P minus Q means P is brother of Q. P star Q means P is sister of Q. Then A star B by C minus D plus C. A is. So we have to find out A relation. How is A related to G? So given A star B means A is sister of B. B sister A. B by C. B is father of C. B is father of C. C father B. So plus sign. C minus D. C is brother of D. D brother C. So plus sign. And D is mother of E. D is mother of E. D minus. Minus. So we have to find out how is A related to E. So E to D, mother relation, mother relation, mother brother. We are finding relation to E. So mother brother, uncle, uncle father, grandfather, grandfather. So generally, father, sister, aunt. Father, sister, aunt. Now your situation, grandfather, sister. So grand aunt, grandfather, sister, grand aunt, grand aunt. So how is A related to E? Grand aunt. Remember, we are using British English and their relations. Next one. P by Q means P is father of Q, P plus Q means P is mother of Q, P minus Q means P is brother of Q, P star Q means P is sister of Q. Then A minus B plus C by D star G. A is E's relation. So first one A minus B. A is brother of B. So A plus B plus E. B is mother of C. So B minus C by D. C is father of D. So plus. Next, D star E. D is sister of E. D is sister of E. So from this, E to D relation, sister, sister, sister father, father, father mother, father mother, grandmother, 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 brother, grandmother, brother, grand uncle, grand uncle. So a relation, grand uncle. How is A related to E? Grand uncle. X told Y, I am the son of your father, you are not my brother. How is X related to Y? X told Y. X told Y. I am the son of your father. Means X and Y both have same father. I am the son. Means X male person. X male person. Son. You are not my brother. Means Y sibling, but not brother means sister. Y sister. X brother. X brother. How is X related to Y? How is X related to Y? Both have same father. So X brother, Y sister. How is X related to Y? X is brother of Y. X is brother of Y. So answer brother. So question about X relation. So X is the brother of Y. Y is the sister of X. Y is the sister of X. So answer brother. If Kamal says Ravi mother is the only daughter of my mother, how is Kamal related to Ravi? If Kamal says Ravi mother is the only daughter of my mother, is the only daughter of my mother. My mother means Ravi mother. Sorry, Kamal mother. My means Kamal. Kamal saying. So Kamal mother. Kamal mother daughter. So this is the position for Kamal. Kamal mother, Kamal and Ravi mother. So how is Kamal related to Ravi? How is Kamal related to Ravi? Mother brother. Mother brother. Mother relation so maternal uncle. Maternal uncle. Third option. Maternal uncle. For more updates, follow our YouTube channel. Comment your answer. Pointing to a photo, Nirmal said, she is the daughter of only son of my grandfather. How is girl related to Nirmal?